Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saummya and today we will be moving forward to 6th question of our Babbar's 450 questions DSA sheet, which is find union and intersection of two unsorted arrays. So let's move forward to our solution. So people, this is our Babbar's question sheet. So let's start our question. Find the union and intersection of two arrays. This is the question. Let's read the question first very carefully. We are given two arrays A and B of size n and m respectively, which is A is of size n and array B is of size m. Okay. The task is to find the number of elements in the union between these two arrays. So people, what we understand by union is, see the example. If array A is containing these elements and array B is containing these elements, then union means the total number of elements they are containing, like 1, 2 and 3 is common and plus 4, 5, which means if we do the union, all these 5 will be present, and I guess we have to return the length of union of can be defined as the set containing distinct elements from both the arrays. If there are repetitions, then only occurrence of elements should be printed in the union. So here we need to return the length of the union array. Okay, so let's see how can we code for this. The idea is to use the set data structure, and we will be inserting all the elements of both the arrays in the set. Why we are doing so? This is because if in a set we know that repetitions are not possible. Okay, so only every element will be present in the set only once, and we will be getting the union of both the arrays. So let's start. Let's take a S as a set. Okay, then first we will be creating a loop for first array for A. Okay, and adding all the elements in set. Okay, and similarly for our second array, for I in range m, because the length of the second array is m, we will be adding all the elements. Okay, now what we will be doing is return length of set. Okay, so let's just try to run this. Yes, see, we are getting the expected output, and let's just try to submit. It's running perfectly. So people, Python offers us one more solution, which is using the function union. Okay, union method. For this we need to first convert both our arrays to set and then apply the union. So let just A is set A. Okay, we are just converting both the arrays into set, and then we will be simply returning length of dot union B. Okay, let's try to run. It's running. Okay, so we are getting the expected output, and let's just try to submit this. Yes. So guys, that's all for today. I will be sharing the link for Babbar's DSA sheet and my solution in the description box. I hope you are liking my video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much.